In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Mailchimp newsletters to a web page. To get started, open Mailchimp and sign in to your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Campaigns. This is where Mailchimp stores your email content and related assets. After that, choose Email Templates. That section gives you access to the newsletter designs you've already created, which is exactly what you will need if you want to place one of them onto a web page. When you are in the Email Templates area, browse through your saved templates and find the newsletter you want to display on your site. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct version, especially if you have multiple drafts or similar campaign layouts. Once you've found the right newsletter, click the down arrow or the More Options menu next to it. In that menu, select Export as Template. This tells Mailchimp that you want a reusable version of the newsletter that can be downloaded and used outside the platform. After choosing that option, go ahead and download the file as an HTML document. HTML is the code format that web pages use, so this is what allows your Mailchimp newsletter to be displayed on your website. Save the file somewhere easy to find on your computer so you can quickly access it in the next step. Now you have two ways to add that newsletter to your web page. The first option is to upload the HTML file directly to your website server. This is a good choice if you want the newsletter to exist as its own standalone page on your site. The second option is to open the file, copy the raw HTML code, and paste it into a custom HTML block on the page where you want the newsletter to appear. This is useful if you want the newsletter embedded within an existing page instead of hosted separately. As you do this, it's a good idea to preview the page afterward to make sure the layout looks correct and that images, spacing, and links display properly. Since email templates are designed for inboxes first, sometimes small formatting adjustments may be needed when they're placed on a website. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.